Hi, my name is Matthew Palmer, and I'm the creator of the Wildcat sculpture. And here we are installing it, and it's pretty exciting. The sculpture is larger than life size. We wanted something sort of heroic. We ended up settling on a nice size for people's interactions and being able to take pictures with it. And so it stands about 7 feet tall to the top of its ears. Well, I hope that everybody here really loves the new addition to the campus, and with the love and attention, taking care of it, it'll be something that'll be around here for many class years to come, and I hope that everybody really enjoys it.